cars and work the ship. Moving with the brightest, know the touch probably the Midas. If I exit, I'm excited, cause my father up in here. Yeah. I've been fighting battles on my lonely. I struggle to be still and know that he God, it's his will. Even when I sleep, the angel army, I don't got it, it ain't in me, no, it's on me. No, it's on me. I know I've been I know I've been hardest. Please don't test me. We gon' benchmark it. No, they been ready. We been started. They say life changes, celebration, radio, and probably more you see. Probably more you see. If we ever shoot our shot, it's from the court, you see. I had classmates who never left the port, you see. Everybody wanna live, don't nobody wanna live.
メイドイン USA アーミートリックス火がわー出るのがちょっと今すごくいい音がして
Super Jeep. The pipes are just awesome. Hey there, I'm Dana Balthazar, the owner of this 2015 Lexus RCF. I want to thank Armytrix for jumping on a board with this exhaust. Super insane. Love it.
The car is also equipped with a full Armytrix exhaust system, which is an amazing program that Armytrix did in technology. Got the downpipes from Armytrix and a full mid-pipe from Armytrix. Car sounds amazing. Flip of a switch, go from being loud to being quiet. So really happy I went with Armytrix.
New Lamborghini Urus rocking a full Armytrix exhaust from the downpipe back.
Brand new, first in the world, titanium exhaust with our beautiful downpipe ceramic coated for the heat shield, and of course the full titanium back. I wish you guys got to see this, but more importantly, I wish you could hear it, because it is fantastic.
Hi, I'm Richard with SPS Auto Sport here at SEMA 2017. We're debuting the Mermaid 4.0.